On Duolingo, I need to remember the sentence immediately after I've seen it on the screen. Otherwise, I'm not going to. So, čo vy kupili? What did you buy? We bought everything. So, kupili is we bought. My kupili vse. My kupili vse. Mi tato kupiv nový kostium. I love my dad. Moja mama kupila šapku. I don't know if this counts as a šapku. He bought cheese and wine for a work meeting, presumably. Vin kupiv sir I vino. What did you learn in school today? Що ви вчили у школі? Today? I don't know the word. She has studied the language for 1 year. Вона вчила мову 1 рік. He learned Ukrainian for 2 years. Він вчив українську 2 роки. Bachelor. Bachelor means saw. I'm gonna have to write these down and learn them. Victoria бачила це ресторан. Did you see my new sweater? Ти бачила мій новий свер. Вона бачила собаку вчора. I think that means she saw a dog yesterday. What did you see there? So, ти бачив. Did you see? Що ти бачив там? Що ти бачив там? Ви бачили це? Did you see it? Ви бачили це? I did, I really liked it. Ви бачили це? Бачила is did you see? And вчила is learned. Люди бачили все. Він купив сир і віно. Люди бачили все. I think I'm getting there. Victor worked there. Victor працював там. Я працювала у Києві. We were working. Ми працювали. Вона не знала. She didn't know. Not her fault. Вона не знала. We didn't know that you're here. Ми не знали, що ти тут. Happy with that? Де ти працював позавчора? Позавчора. Вона читала книги. She was reading a book. Вона читала книги. Were you reading that? Ви читали це? Ми були там. We were there. Ми були там. Oh, to be or not to be? Бути чи не бути? Це питання. It was my sister. Це була моя сестра. It wasn't me. Це не був я. Він думав про обід. Ми думали про це. We thought about it. Ми думали про це. She didn't think about clothes. Вона не думала про одяг. Вона не думала про одяг. What did you think about? Про що ви думали? Про що ви думали? Вона не грала на піаніно. Who played football yesterday? Хто грав у футбол вчора? I lived in Odessa. I lived. Я жив. It's a weird word with that жив. Я жив у Одесі. Okay. Вона жила там 4 роки. Вона жила там 4 роки. Я жив, вона жила. We lived here. Ми жили тут. Я не спав. I love that word. Спав. Slept. Я не спав. Not true. Я спав. We slept at the hotel. Ми спали у готелі. Where did she sleep? Де вона спала? Де вона спала? Where did she sleep? I can see me using some of these sentences. My sister had an old sweater. Моя сестра мала старий sweater. Do you prefer sweater or swear? They had to work. So, this is interesting. Mala stara swe, and they had to work. Вони мали працювати. So, in the same way that we say I had to, obligation, I had, possession, they do in Ukrainian too. Вони мали працювати. Why aren't they here? Вони мали працювати. I had to be there. Oh, what a lovely sentence. Я мав бути там. I want to master this past tense thing. Start. What did you do yesterday? Що ти робив вчора? Що ти робив вчора? What did your mum do yesterday? Що робила твоя мама вчора? Що твоя мама робила вчора? Моя мати готувала обід. Вчора ми готували борщ. Ми готували. He did not cook. Він не готував. They were cooking. Вони готували. So, that valley is вони. Вони готували. My friends were traveling and I was working. Мої друзі подорожували, а я працював. Okay, a girl traveled. Дівчина подорожувала. That's a good word. Сказали. Сказали means they said. Що вони сказали? Sorry, what did you say? Вибачте, що ви сказали? Вона сказала так. She said yes. Вона сказала так. Okay, perfect. Well, I got to level 3 on the past tense of Ukrainian. I found an XP boost, so I'm going to keep on learning, but I'm not going to keep on videoing. I will make another one soon. Bye.